How to perform power cleaning on Epson EcoTank printer without LCD panel. You should perform pre-head cleaning if you see missing lines in your printout. Before you run a power cleaning, please take note of the following. You should only perform power cleaning after several attempts of print-head cleaning and print quality does not improve. As power cleaning consumes a lot of ink, so you should run it only if necessary. Make sure each ink tank is at least 1/3 before running a power cleaning, or it may damage the printer. An interval of 12 hours is required between each power cleaning. Power cleaning affects the service life of the printer's ink pads. The ink pads collect inks that is not used on printed pages, and the capacity can be reached via power cleaning. For more information, please visit your local Epson website. For printers with no LCD panel, you can do power cleaning with your computer. Turn on your printer and ensure no LED lights indicating error. Load a few sheets of plain paper in the printer and pull out the output tray. Do the following on your computer. Go to the control panel. Select Devices and Printers. Search for the printer you wish to perform power cleaning. Right-click and select Printer Preference. Go to Maintenance tab and select Power Cleaning. You should see a window like this. Click Next. Review and select the following checkbox to confirm your understanding. Do not proceed if you are not able to fulfill either one of the criteria. Click Next. Click Start to proceed with power cleaning. The cleaning process may take several minutes. Do not turn off your printer or interrupt the power cleaning process. When the cleaning is done, click Finish. If the print quality did not improve, turn off the product and wait at least 12 hours before running another power cleaning. For more information, please contact your local Epson support or help desk.